You're like the channel guy, so you know it's your channel. You have to do the intro.
Are you recording?
Ooh, you should put that on there and be like, hey, sponsor us.
What's up, YouTube? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode, episode 8. So in this episode, we're going to be removing this bad boy. The whole transmission's coming out of the car, so that we can actually start rolling the car out of here. We're gonna disconnect these electrical connections for the O2 sensors on both sides. We're gonna come inside the car and take off the shift boot and all that fun stuff, so it disconnects it from the entire top. We're going to then disconnect the cross member thing, I think, that holds up the transmission, and then the drive shaft comes off. That's gonna be it, so let's fucking go ahead and dance our way into it. Well, alright, so we have now officially disconnected the shift linkage from the top of the transmission. I lied, he's still doing it. Well, we'll eventually be there. Alright, so this is the shift linkage that we disconnected here. Now we're going to disconnect the 4 bolts with a 12 on the drive shaft here. Nick here is going to hold it still so it doesn't turn while I crank on it. And we just did the first one. I'm going to leave it in there for now. And then we're going to turn the drive shaft to the next one. And he's going to hold it still while I put this on backwards.
Good job.
And break it loose, maybe? Eventually. Alright, so we disconnected this. We got a pry bar in there and pried it off. So this is just sitting freely up here, minding its own business. Then we're going to take the power tool, disconnect this bad boy here and here. And then we'll take I think that's a 15. Yeah, 15. And we'll take our 19 to these 2 bolts out here, or 4 bolts holding in the cross beam here. And that should be the last thing holding that in. Looks like I forgot a cable up here. So I'll just take that off real quick.
Oh, this shit just got a whole lot heavier.
Did it really?
Yeah.
How much heavier?
Like heavy.
Alright, let go. Let go. Oh god.
Oh shit. I thought I was gonna die for a second.
You probably almost did.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. I'm 100% kidding.
I think I shit
This
myself.
slides right off, just like that. Easy day.
Easy day.
Look at that, boys and girls. Frickin', these are always a pain in the ass to take off.
I legit almost pooped myself.
Did you really?
Yeah.
All right, the transmission is literally just floating here.
Okay.
We just gotta loosen up the jack there. Oh my god.
Yeah, the creeper or whatever.
Hold him.
From over here.
Yeah, go for it. There. Oh, we just ripped it. I don't really care.
Did we?
I don't care. Like, at all. Good?
A little more.
Good.
More. Yeah. Because the jack's gonna move.
Oh, that's perfect. Just slide it on up.
Just wait.
Yeah, just do it.
Wait, but I'm also moving the stand.
Well, then you better fucking do it quick and then fix the stand. I don't know why we just didn't move the stand in the first place.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Finally, the transmission is gone. I cut myself in my finger right here. It hurts. One thing I did forget was this one right here. And then I forgot the speedo, the speed sensor, which one, I don't know which one it is. I think it's that one. But that was something I forgot to take off, and then as we're lowering it, we're like, that's connected. But anyways, that is it. The next step will be to take apart the engine over yonder. And yeah, we're making progress, we're making money moves, days or something like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like down below, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Definitely subscribe because that's cool. And we'll see you guys in the next one.